If you're looking for a way to keep your clients engaged and enhance your client relationships, SuiteDash could be the answer. But does it really live up to the hype? In this video, I'll show you how to use SuiteDash to keep your clients engaged. But stick around till the end, because I'll also share a better alternative with a longer free trial that might be more suited to your needs. So, how do you actually use SuiteDash to boost client engagement? First up, SuiteDash offers a customizable client portal. You can create a space where clients can log in, view their invoices, documents, and track their project's progress. This is great because it gives your clients a central location for everything they need. They can check updates anytime without needing to email you, which reduces the back and forth and keeps them more engaged with the ongoing work. It's a solid feature for automating communication, but if you're managing a lot of clients, it can be a bit overwhelming to keep everything personalized and intuitive. Some people have found the interface a bit clunky for navigating between different tasks. Next, SuiteDash offers automation for client onboarding, follow-ups, and more. This is one of its standout features, setting up workflows that automatically move clients through your system, ensuring that no one slips through the cracks. This automation is great for staying engaged with clients and saving you time. However, if you're not familiar with workflow automation, there's a learning curve. The setup process can be a bit intimidating for beginners, so you might need to invest some time upfront to get the automation right. Still, once it's set up, it can really enhance client communication and engagement. The third thing SuiteDash excels at is its project management features. You can create tasks, assign them to clients, and track progress. You can even leave comments directly on tasks, making communication more seamless. However, while these features are helpful, they aren't as robust or visually intuitive as some other project management tools on the market. This is an area where SuiteDash could improve, especially for teams who prefer a more visually appealing and easier to use platform. Next, let's talk about SuiteDash's secure file sharing and document management. It makes sharing files with clients easy, and with its built-in security features, you don't have to worry about sensitive information getting exposed. But there's one thing to note. If you're dealing with large amounts of data, SuiteDash doesn't handle heavy file sharing as smoothly as it could. You might encounter slow upload speeds or difficulties managing lots of files at once. Finally, the SuiteDash mobile app allows you to stay connected on the go, which is great for keeping clients engaged during off hours. You can check messages, respond to clients, and even keep track of tasks all from your phone. That said, the mobile app isn't always as reliable as you'd hope. It can be buggy at times, which is something to keep in mind if you're looking to use SuiteDash on a mobile-first basis. So, while SuiteDash does offer a lot of useful features, it's not perfect. But wait, there's a better option that might be a better fit for keeping your clients truly engaged. Now, if you're looking for something more flexible with an even longer free trial and fewer limitations in terms of user experience and design, I have a great alternative to SuiteDash. It provides similar client portal features, more user-friendly project management tools, and more seamless integrations with other software. If you want to learn more about this alternative, I've dropped a link in the description below that gives you an exclusive and extended free trial, only available to our viewers. By clicking through that link, you'll get access to the best free trial and some unique benefits tailored to your needs. So go ahead and check it out.